Outdoor cooking is fun, but one of the options for it that is often overlooked is the IGT Table, which stands for Iron Grill Table. These modular wonders have numerous options, so today I'm going to show you how sturdy and how easy these tables are to assemble. We'll also show you some options and accessories and talk about why these tables are so underrated in the world of outdoor cooking. Right here on Al Lunatic Queuing. Welcome back, my good people. Today we are looking at IGT tables and we'll explain the different options that are available for them. While there are many brands of IGT tables, some are made better than others, so it's good to do your research before deciding which one is right for you. This video is intended to serve as a good start for those that are interested. And so I've used this A-Smoke IGT table in previous videos to hold my A-Smoke Essentials grill during some cooks, but I never explained the other things it could be used for. So let me first show you how easy it is to set up, then I'll show you the options I chose to add to my IGT table. Setup is pretty easy and can be done in minutes. We basically unfold the legs first, then we screw in the top brace that connects the two legs together. Once we are done with one side, we move over to the other side and do the same. There is also a bottom brace that adds more sturdiness to the table, and we'll do one side first, then the other. Then we finally put the top panels on. These can be added and removed as you add your accessories. There you go, all done in under 5 minutes. Now let me just show you how sturdy it is. Now remember, I'm about 200 pounds and this thing had no problem holding me. Now let me show you the first two accessories I bought for my IGT table. I removed two panels to make room for it, so this accessory here is pretty cool. It's a fold-out grill. You're actually able to adjust the bottom charcoal grill grate to different levels so that the heat source can be closer or further away from the food that you are cooking on the top grate. The other accessory I bought was a cutting board that fits perfectly in the slot of the tabletop, but I'll just leave mine on top of the table for the sake of moving it around. Now let's start a fire so we can cook something. Now these are my first two accessories that I have bought for my IGT table. There are many out there and we'll go over them in just a bit. There are also different brands of IGT tables. I'll put some down on the list below. Prices for the IGT table can start from $50 all the way to a little over $100. You basically have to do your research and see what's best for you. But just remember, your IGT table is modular and parts for it are universal. So regardless of the brand you buy, all accessories and parts should fit if they are made for IGT tables. We broke in our IGT table grill by cooking some hot dogs and some burgers. Nothing really fancy here, just some ketchup, mustard, some cheese, burger patty, and some hamburger buns. Sometimes it's just as fun doing the simple cooks as it is doing the more involved cooks, especially when you're breaking in a new grill. On the next burger, I experimented a little and did a spread of cream cheese with chives and onion on the bottom bun. Pretty tasty. Now in the future, I plan to add a few more accessories to my table, and that's the reason why they are so underrated, because you can totally customize IGT tables and make it your own little outdoor kitchen. Here are just a few more ideas of how you can customize your table. As you saw in the video, the cutting board and grill we added are reasonably priced. You can also add a propane burner, trash basket, lantern stand, even a sink, a dish drainer, and so much more. Here are examples of how some of these setups look. For more room, you can add side frame extenders, or maybe a bottom shelf for more storage, or even upper shelves. I'm telling you, these things are fun and the possibilities are endless. That's my small start into the world of IGT tables. I was just today years old when I first learned about them, so that's why I feel they are so underrated. Let me know if you've heard of these before in the comments. Hope you all are doing well. We'll be back again with another video soon.